I didn't put so much makeup. I just put some lipstick. And I changed my clothes because I'm going out now. My boyfriend called me. He wants me to pick him up on the gym. So I'm gonna bring my dog with me, Coffee, and we're gonna drive there. So I'll bring you guys along with us. Pick him up. Let's go. Come, Coffee. Come here. Let's go. We pick up. We pick up. Ouch. Right. Fix your diaper. Alright, so ouch! He's so excited. I cannot bring him and bring the stuff and then I vlog, so I'm just gonna vlog here, show you what I'm gonna bring. This, my washer, windshield washer. I'm gonna put that later. And his bag. Wait, don't cry. And then this. So I have my hands full, so I cannot vlog. So I'll see you guys in the car.
Turn off what?
This on the back. Why is it always on?
Down. Keep it down. There you go.
Why is it always on?
Apa? Kopi? Kopi? Kacang mana bocok? Mira pinta. Oh, baby. Let's go check some other dogs first. Hang on. This is gonna be good for him. But Mochi will be sad. She doesn't have one. She will chew.
Yes. What are the other dogs? So I like guys. This one. Wow, perfume. Wow, so fresh.
Saan ba? Ang si Kuya maraming. Gabi. I love you.
Kopi so fancy drama.
He's drama, but he's fancy drama.
Get some bread here. Take the upper part. Alright, so we just arrived home. Put down the stuff here. So I'm just gonna rest for like a little while. It changed. And this. And my battery is about to die, so I'm gonna charge now. See you. Bye! Ito yung best. Ayan. Cute yan. Furry siya. Furry. Ay, hindi. Buksan natin.
Ano buksan na? Bubuksan mo talaga.
Buksan natin.
Oh. Ah!
Yes. Taray. Meron na namang paganito si Madam.
Chan-chan.
Sabi mo kung tama yung sabi mong hula mo. Paano mo nalaman yun? Ang galing mo naman.
Siyempre.
Nakadalawa ka na ganito. Ito na yung pangalawa mo. Hala,
Tatlo yan
masaya. Kaya pala sabi ko kanina, parang may nakataas na kamay.
Kamay.
Tapos hinahanap ko, wala
Wala
naman.
nakataas. Yung bear pala yung nakataas yung kamay. Cute, di ba?
Oh, cute.
Oo, tinuruan na kita paano ko alam. Kaya hindi ko na binubuksan.
Dahil?
Ikaw duplicate.
Kinakabahan.
Bobo.
Yung card.
Oo, yung card.
Oo nga. Too lazy to go.
Cute, ang bigat
Thank
to.
you.
Damn,
Oo,
this is
eh.
heavy. This is heavy.
So cute. Ano yung secret? Nasa ano din siya? Feeling ko nasa ano din, salbabida, tas may baso.
Gusto na sana ng brother
Ayun.
ko kung nakuha ko daw yung nagsiswimming.
Ito, too lazy.
Yan ba?
Cute nga eh.
Swimming?
Oo.
Bigay ko daw sa kanya. Dahil nagsiswimming era siya ngayon.
Ay, taray.
Ito,
Cute
cute.
daw.
Pero ito yung nasa front eh. I
Oo
feel
nga,
like this
isa
is the
siya
one
yung-
people like the most. That's
siya
why
yung the best.
they put them in front. Cute. Bigot yun. Gulat din.
Feeling ko kukunin sa akin ng kapatid ko.
Yun ang jowa mo.
Hindi. Yung kapatid ko. Mahilig kasi siya sa bear. Mabi Bears. Ang kanyang nickname. So, yung mga friends niya, yun. Yan yung ano niya. Persona niya.
Bear.
Bear.
Ako panda.
Cute. Thank you so much.
Second top mine.
Hey! O, diba?
Diba may popcorn?
O, diba?
Open lang tayo ng open line box.
Ay, maganda na rin yung ano, langit. Let's go, let's go. Pwede ba akong bumalik?
Cargo naman siya.
Nakauna ko kasi siya.
So you like Toby?
Oo nga, yung mga senior. Shih Tzu. Seniors. Ito, nakakatawa talaga siya. Siya yung makulit. Na ginaganon-ganon niya yung pinggan. Yung sinend ko sa'yo. We're here. Just want to see what we can buy. Craving something Korean. Ay, palagay nga dyan muna yung phone ko. Ay. Oh, ang ganda naman ng fanahan dito. So, let's buy Gabi G. Gabi sauce. Isa lang muna. Or dalawa ko. Tuna.
Ito lang yung kiss lang nila. Wala yung ano.
Yung big brand. Magkano yun?
35 to isa. So, 400.
Or antayin na lang natin. Bukas naman mag-grocery na ako. Ay, Friday.
Wala yun dun eh. Sa BGC.
Wala yung gusto ko. We will do some food trip. Kain na kami ng noodles here. Drinks. Konting drinks. That's it. Tayo. I'm gonna drink this. And then rice. We're buying noodles. We're gonna eat here.
Gusto ko na lang kukuha sa'yo.
Hindi na. Kamay lang naman.
Noodles.
Puro naman noodles.
yung soup.
Ha? Ba't wala? Ay, mamaya pa ba? Ah, okay. Okay na siya.
Sarap kayo. Yama! Let's eat! Let's go!
Saan dyan sa halat? Ba't may ganito ako sa bahay?
Ganda nga eh.
Ito siya.